Hello and welcome, my beautiful people. Today, I am sharing with you all an amazing extraordinary recipe to make your hair grow fast. It is a natural remedy that gives you a good results. Your hair will grow longer, fuller and stop falling out. It is an ideal remedy for all hair types. How to color your hair with brown color naturally with this magical DIY. Say goodbye to thinning hair and embrace luscious locks with henna. It is a natural remedy, gives 101% effective hair color which has no side effects and chemical free. This hair pack will not only boost your scalp and hair health, but it will also help color your hair and cover grays. Before watching this remedy, if you are new to this channel, then kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's move to the remedy. For this remedy we will need beetroot. Using beetroot for hair it makes hair smooth and shiny, adds natural color to the hair. It boosts blood circulation for hair growth, reduces dandruff, stimulates hair growth. It prevents premature hair graying and hair loss. Wash and clean the beetroot properly. Peel the beetroot and cut it into small pieces. We put the beetroot pieces in a blender, add water into it and grind them. We got the beetroot paste. We filter the beetroot paste using a strainer or a fine cloth. Beets are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which aids collagen production. Collagen is essential for hair strength and pigmentation, potentially reducing the appearance of gray hair. We got the beetroot juice for natural color of your hair. For making concoction, we take 1 tablespoon tea powder in a clean vessel. Black tea contains antioxidants that may benefit your hair in a variety of ways. Black tea is not only effective at flushing out toxins from the body, but it also makes your hair shine. It helps to stimulate hair growth, reduce hair loss, remove oiliness from scalp, and treat dandruff. Second, we add 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds in this remedy. Fenugreek seeds are known to stimulate hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles and increasing blood circulation to the scalp. The proteins present in fenugreek seeds strengthen the hair shaft, reducing hair fall and promoting the growth of new, healthy strands. Next, we add orange peel in this remedy. Instead of orange peel, you can add orange peel powder too. Orange peel is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C. Vitamin C fights stubborn dandruff. It contains antioxidants promote hair growth. It makes hair smooth, shiny and voluminous. Conditions: hydrates and detangles frizzy dry hair. Delays premature graying. We add a glass of water in this vessel, and allow it to boil for making concoction. Hey friends, write down from which city you're watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. We filter the concoction using a strainer. Here we got tea concoction. In a clean bowl we take henna powder according to your hair length. The antifungal and antibacterial properties of henna powder help to maintain scalp health by preventing dandruff, scalp itching, and other scalp problems. It also covers gray hairs. Next, we add 2 tablespoons amla powder in this remedy. Amla powder is also used to promote hair growth. Amla powder acts as an excellent toner for the hair. It strengthens the hair and makes it resistant to dryness. At last, we add 1 tablespoon shikakai powder in this mixture. It promotes hair development, controls hair fall, battles dandruff, and adds bounce and sheen to lifeless hair. This natural foaming agent gently cleanses the scalp and maintains a healthy hair. We prepare the henna paste using a beetroot juice and a concoction of tea powder. We got a nice lumps-free henna paste. But wait, we add some ingredients into the henna. We add 1 tablespoon mustard oil in this paste. Mix all the ingredients well together. Leave the henna paste overnight or for 8 hours to soak. In next morning we got a shiny, lumps-free henna. Before applying henna paste we add secret ingredient in this paste, We add 1 tablespoon sugar in this paste. Sugar exfoliates the scalp and removes dead skin cells, so the conditioners in hair products can clean and moisturize hair more effectively. We mix it well together again. Before applying this remedy, comb your hair properly. Apply this henna paste using a brush or a fingers. Apply henna evenly in every hair strands. After applying henna, cover your hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap. Keep this remedy in your hair for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, wash it off with plain water. For best results, use this remedy once in a week. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to DIY Nature's Glory channel for more skin and hair care remedies.